It's just about 1 o'clock in the morning. Everybody's sleeping. I came out for a cigarette. It's still pretty snowy out. The awning that was flapping around must have fallen off. Boy, it is lousy though. Not gonna lie to you. I'm just out. I'm in my pajamas. I'm not bundled up this time. That's it. We'll take some more in the morning. I'm not going into work, so we'll have all day to hang out together and shovel. That's probably all we'll be able to do. Yeah, that's my little wrap-up. Part 3 I didn't think was coming because I wasn't shoveling, but I'll throw a part 3 out there anyway. I would walk out there some more, but I only have my slippers on. So here's a last glimpse of, well, here's what I shoveled. You can't really make it out. It's too dark. All the lights are off. Yeah, whatever. It's still snowing. It's still lousy. And that's it. So, yeah, there's your Blizzard of 010 coverage from your only source of Blizzard stupidness right here. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.